How would you like me to draw your faithful friend and put it in a picture book called 100 Dogs? You get to keep the original artwork and frame it at home, and I'll make a video about the drawing of your dog on YouTube and credit you as associate producer. And there is a whole lot more on offer. This is a unique opportunity to immortalise your pooch or to honour a lost and much missed canine friend. If you're stuck for gift ideas, this is the absolute perfect, unique gift for the dog lover who has everything. If you know someone who would love to be involved, please share the link with them now. All the details are in the comments box below. If you love the idea of this project, there are many other ways that you can support it. Click the link and go to my Kickstarter page to get all the details and pledge to back this amazing project. I'll look forward to drawing your dog in the book very soon.